Hey Heidi and Scott, I wanted to show you some information about the Smarter Balanced Assessment website, which we talked about today in class, Tuesday, October 23rd. First off, I've got a link in the content area, so if you scroll down to week 9, you should see it right here, Smarter Balanced Sample Items and Performance Tasks. So I'm going to go ahead and click it, and that will bring up Smarter Balanced. And you can see it says sample items and performance tasks. Well, that's all good, but then where are they? So you have to scroll down here and you'll notice that it says explore sample items and performance tasks, and mathematics is highlighted because I've been clicking on it a lot. And it might take a little bit of time to load. And so first off, here's one example of a type of question that students would have to explain. They're looking at different times in the 50-meter freestyle, and you'll see that in the new assessment, it's not just a matter of picking A, B, C, or D. They're having to explain their work. Well, so that's one, and if you want to look at some more, which I do, if you go up here to view more mathematics sample items, we'll want to go down here to high school, and there are some examples. We did this one in class, rationals and radicals, again to show you some of the differences in the types of assessments that students are going to be having to do. You'll notice that, and this will all be on the computer, but I won't do all 3 of these, but the first problem says 3 unique expressions whose sum is less than 10, and this is without a calculator, so students will need to know, their works with rational exponents. So we could see, well, 8 to the 1/3, that's going to be 2. 4 to the -2 raised to the -1/2 should be 4. So right now I am at 6. So with the remaining values that I have of these 4, I need to make certain that I select one that is less than 4, because my sum of these 3 numbers has to be less than 10. So if I look at this one, well, I know it's going to be 3 to the 2nd, which is 9. That's not going to work. Aha, the square root of 13 is going to be between the square root of 9 and the square root of 16, so it's going to be less than 4. So I can put it in there, and again, I'm not going to do these down here, but I can go up here and you can see that I get the score that yes, I got it correct on it. And again, these are just samples, but gives you an idea again of what's coming down the pipeline. What I have asked everybody to do for Thursday is to go ahead and look at the problem solving assessments, room, wall, decibels, ebooks, and then I've posted the performance task crickets onto D2L. So it's a PDF and it's fairly long. I also have a printed PDF performance task that I use when I do my Common Core state standard training with math teachers in South Dakota. So if you stop by my office, I will give it to you. Thanks, and if you have any questions, please just send me an email or text or something of that nature. Thanks for listening.